The 2025 Pontiac GTO roars back to life as a modern-day muscle car infused with heritage, performance, and aggressive styling. After years of dormancy, the iconic GTO nameplate returns under a new vision, one that bridges the gap between classic American muscle and cutting-edge automotive innovation. This rebirth isn't just a nostalgic callback to the legendary 1960s and 70s GTOs. It's a bold reimagining that embraces modern technology while staying true to its raw, performance-driven roots. At first glance, the 2025 GTO is a visual powerhouse. The exterior styling is unmistakably muscular, with a wide stance, sculpted lines, and an aggressive front fascia dominated by a reinterpreted twin-grille design. LED headlights with sharp daytime running lights give it a piercing gaze, while the hood features functional heat extractors that hint at the beast lurking beneath. The rear is equally dramatic, with quad exhaust tips, a subtle spoiler, and taillights inspired by vintage GTO cues. Brought to life with modern lighting elements, under the hood, the GTO delivers the kind of performance that made the name a legend. Buyers can choose from a standard naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8, pushing out 480 horsepower, or opt for the high-performance supercharged variant that cranks out over 650 horsepower. An answer to the likes of the Dodge Charger Hellcat and Ford Mustang GTD. The GTO sends power to the rear wheels through either a slick 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 10-speed automatic, ensuring that both purists and modern performance enthusiasts are satisfied. 0 to 60 comes in under 4 seconds in the top trim, and the exhaust note is a deep, guttural soundtrack that brings muscle car emotion roaring into the 21st century. The chassis has been heavily revised with a mix of aluminum and high-strength steel, giving it a lighter and more rigid structure than any Pontiac before it. Magnetic adaptive suspension, performance-tuned brakes, and a limited slip differential come standard on higher trims, giving the GTO not just straight-line speed but serious cornering credibility. Whether tearing up the drag strip or carving mountain roads, the new GTO delivers a level of composure and athleticism far beyond its ancestors. Inside, the cabin is a refined yet aggressive space that reflects the GTO's dual nature. Deep bolstered sports seats, contrast stitching, and carbon fiber accents set the tone, while a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13-inch infotainment screen provide the modern tech drivers demand. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium Bose sound system, and a full suite of driver assistance systems are available, offering comfort and convenience without diluting the car's raw essence. Despite being a performance-focused machine, the 2025 GTO doesn't skimp on safety. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and emergency braking as part of its advanced driver assistance suite. This makes the GTO not only thrilling to drive, but also practical for everyday use. If you can resist the temptation to floor it at every green light, Pontiac's return with the GTO is more than just a tribute, it's a statement. In an era increasingly dominated by electrification and autonomous driving, the GTO stands as a defiant love letter to speed, sound, and the visceral experience of driving. It's a car built for those who crave power with personality and nostalgia, with a modern twist. Whether you're a lifelong fan of the original or a new enthusiast looking for a truly exhilarating ride, the 2025 Pontiac GTO is here to prove that muscle cars still matter and they're far from dead.